Hi guys, it's me Palak and welcome back to my channel Palak's Art Galaxy. So guys, in this video we are gonna make bookmarks. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here are the materials needed. So now let's make the bookmark. So firstly we have to cut out the bookmark shape. So for that we have to make a rectangular shape. So let's cut it. So guys, we have cutted the bookmark shape. So now it's time to draw a cloud for it. So according to our bookmark design, we have to paste a cloud on it. So here you have seen after measuring it's a big, so let's make a small one. So here is the small cloud. So now let's cut it. So guys, here I have drawn equal 7 partitions on the bookmark, and now it's time to fill it with the rainbow pattern color. So the code for rainbow is Vibgyor. You may see on the screen also it's visible, so that you can easily color the bookmark. So here you may see violet, indigo, then blue, then green, yellow, orange and red. So let's fill them. So guys, our coloring is complete. So now it's time to attach the cloud on it. So for that we have to do the outline with black sketch and make eyes and a smiley on it. So let's make that. You can make any face you like, so it's totally up to you, but I suggest you to make this one only which I am making. It's cute one, so just make by your own choice. So guys, here our bookmark is ready to be pasted. So now let's apply the glue on it. And now here you can see I have attached a cloud on the bookmark. So here our bookmark is completed. If you want to write anything, you may write, but I liked it simple. So now let's see how it goes. Guys, now it's time to make our second bookmark. So for that again we have to cut the shape of the bookmark. It's totally up to you what size you choose. So I am taking a random size. It's totally up to you. So let's cut it. So guys, now it's time to decorate our bookmark. So the design which we are gonna make on our bookmark is the feather design. So let's make the feather design. For that we need 4 colors: violet, dark blue, light blue and then pink. You can skip pink also, as 3 colors will also make a good combination. At last you will see how many beautiful bookmarks I have made. Here you have to color in the form of V. So first make a equal line from both the sides, a middle partition, and then you have to just color the bookmark. So you can directly color it with sketch pen, and you have to color it in the form of V. So let's color it. So here you can see in the middle partition line I have just highlighted it with black sketch pen, and now I am cutting it. So let's cut it very properly so that it looks too good and the finishing comes very nice. So let's cut it properly. So guys, here our bookmark is completed. So guys, here are all the bookmarks which I have made it. So if you liked any of it, just tell me in the comment.